They're going all through gyrations, they're getting in the guy's face, that type of thing. No penalties. But when I say it's an interception, 11 guys are running down the field to the end zone. What's that? That's not showcasing?
Yep.
And no penalties? Well, I mean, 9, 10, 11 guys are running 30, 40 yards to the end zone.
Yep.
To take a picture, whatever they're doing. Some of these stupid rules. Shit. You scratch your head and don't you rules. What the hell is that all about?
I disagree with the Gastineau rule too.
What kind of rule is that?
After a sack, you can't stand over the guy and taunt.
Oh,
That's a great part of the game.
yeah, but why is that cool, the penalty, and then 10, 11 guys running to the end zone for a picture and running 20, 30, 40 yards? What is that shit?
I don't know.
Ah,
It's all a bunch of shit.
unbelievable.
Rob,
Yeah.
you're gonna burn your sauce.
What?
You're gonna burn your sauce.
Oh shit, I forgot I had it on. I forgot I even had it on.
Yeah.
No, I have a spoon. I'm gonna use the little spoon. You want the bone?
Oh,
Did I burn the sauce? This is still pretty warm. You know, if I put the gravy plate. Huh?
I think everything is ruled.
Well, you can take that out. If you put that.
All right, fans.
I'm gonna get a bracket for you.
Kai,
Yeah.
you gotta clear that stuff from the table. I gotta put this stuff on there.
As I was saying, the moments for this episode has finally arrived. Tonight we're finally gonna draw all the new fighters for the new game Scarlet and Violet. Starting with the starter Pokemon's final evolved form, Skeledirge, my favorite. At first, I wanted this.
No, it's okay. I'm just gonna scoop it.
I wanted
You gotta wash that first.
to have one of the Pokemon be based on a Spinosaurus. Well, I didn't know they were gonna do this. Well, to be honest, I consider this one to be one of my favorites. I've always wanted to draw this one for a really long time. And now it's finally coming to fruition. Getting started. There we are. There we are. Now let's draw this part here.
Speed it up, Kai.
I'm almost done. Based on how I see this guy, Dinosuchus is possibly the exact dinosaur that's related to this one.
You know what?
Of course, there are other prehistoric
We'll just put the hot gravy on.
creatures that are related.
Kai, come on.
I'm almost done. And done. There he is. That is how you draw a Skeledirge from Scarlet and Violet. Relax, everyone. I will draw more like this real soon. That's all for now. Stegosaurus, see you later. Good night. Apologies about that, fans. I just got amped for drawing this fighter. I didn't know that the camera was not adjusted properly. However, to make up for this, I've decided to expand this episode a bit. And using my black Sharpie, I will continue to draw Skeledirge by tracing over the body design. Be sure to watch me. There we are. There's the upper half. You saw me draw this part before.
Rob,
Yeah.
what am I doing?
Now let's draw the rest of the body.
They're such cramps. Can you condense the two into one?
That takes care of that. Now I will draw the other half right here. For starters, we will start by drawing the back. There we are. Now we draw the toes here. And lastly we need to draw is the tail. This is the important part of the body.
Ready for bed, Gus?
And finished. That is.
Ready for bed?
There we are. There is Skeledirge. Using this marker, I finally managed to trace over what I should have completed on how to draw Skeledirge. Anyhow, that is really what it is for now. That's all for now. Good night.